Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this twin air mattress from Zearna to go ahead and give an honest review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do because I've already used it 3 times now. My daughter used it for 2 sleepovers, and I've actually used it once myself. And as you can see, it's nice and lightweight. It comes in a little travel bag, and the really cool thing about this air mattress is there's no separate air pump. You don't have to worry about losing it because the pump itself is actually built right in. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. So a couple quick things. The air mattress itself does come in a little travel bag, and you can just take the travel bag off. It's just a drawstring bag. There we go. Here's the actual mattress itself. I want to show you a couple quick things about this one. There is still a plug on it for actually, if you have a manual pump or if you don't want to use the automatic pump, you can still go ahead and use a manual pump for this or a separate pump, whatever you want. And then you also have 2 knobs on it, but then in here, oh, that's nice. You have, this is the cord where you plug it in, and this controls the entire pump. Let me pull it all out. There's actually a pretty long cord. It's actually a nice little storage feature. There we go. And there's a 2-prong plug, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you how quickly it inflates. So the way this works is there's actually 2 little pumps built in. You just turn both to inflate, and it'll go ahead and inflate. You'll be amazed at how fast it goes. I'm going to go ahead and actually use a little timer. Just kind of hold it here once I start, and you will see, and I'll stop it once it's actually done inflating. I might speed up the video, but you'll see actually how fast it does inflate. There we go. Took about 1.5 minutes to fully inflate, and it's actually fairly firm right now as well. When you're done inflating, you just turn both to off, and it'll sit there, and now your mattress is ready to go. You can see it's a tall mattress. It's actually taller than a lot of other air mattresses. Twin sheets fit fine on this. We've gotten 2 different pairs of twin sheets, and they have both fit on this just fine. They go down to about the halfway mark on the mattress, so it's nice and it covers it really, really well. The felt on top is the top portion, and then on the bottom of the mattress, it just has this thick rubber, so you don't want to you want to sleep on the felt side. I am not a light guy, but here I am sitting on it. You can barely tell any difference at all. It is nice and firm. It holds its air. Again, I've slept on it all night long once. We actually painted our bedroom and we needed to sleep somewhere else, so that we didn't have to deal with the smell. And I slept on this twin air mattress, and it was wonderfully comfortable. My daughter has had 2 different sleepovers, and both times she's had friends sleep on this, and they loved it. And in fact, the second time, the kids actually started fighting over which one was going to get this air mattress. Deflating the air mattress is just as easy as inflating it. Instead of turning us to inflate, you're just going to turn this down. Deflating takes just about as long as it does to inflate, so about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes at the very most. And then when you're done, you go ahead and you just fold it back up, and then you roll it back up, and you can put it back in the travel bag. The cord fits right back into this little door, and then you go ahead and just close it up. Overall, this is a great air mattress. Again, we've used it multiple times, and everybody who's used it loves it. It does not lose the air. It's got the built-in pump, which is really, really helpful. It's got the nice travel bag, and it seems like a really, really quality mattress that we're going to get years of use from in the future. So yeah, highly recommended.